Imagine yourself in this 2008 Ford Econoline 250. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power steering, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.